Yo, what up, Iron Man? Welcome to another video. Today, I've got a crazy fucking announcement for you. I've got something epic planned. There's something epic जो अभी हो रहा है इसी महीने. I know it's sort of like last moment notice है, but क्या करें, ये सीन तो हो ही रहे हैं अब, and I think this is something that you guys will be interested in. We're bringing back the boot camps, but यार वहाँ पे ना थोड़े caveats हैं, थोड़ी चीजें हैं. Boot camps आ रहे हैं वापस. So what I'm doing is I haven't announced boot camps. Why? Because अभी जितने भी boot camps हैं ना, I've had people already booked. Like मेरे 5 boot camps already booked थे पहले से. So I didn't announce any more boot camps. I wanted to finish up those 5 boot camps which were already booked and wasn't taking any more people. So now we're opening up the boot camps again. So as you guys know, December and January I was in Goa and उस time पर I had amazing fucking fun. I met so many people. I did amazing game. The results that I got, I can't reveal out here, but it was just one of the best times of my life. So fucking therapeutic. The best place to be. तो Goa hands down एक बहुत ही amazing जगह बन गई है. But वहाँ पे क्या था ना, a lot of you wanted me to do boot camps out there, but I wasn't doing it at that time because I wanted some time for myself and I wanted to master the place. I wanted to know कब कहाँ पे क्या होता है and just understand the place better. So now what's happening is we're planning a Goa boot camp finally. I was planning only a mentorship alumni वाला boot camp, but the thing is, so next week 18th to the 21st, it's an extended boot camp that we're planning. But the thing is, वो full हो गया यार, sorry. That boot camp is already full, so people cannot join for that. All of my mentorship people, all of the people who are alumni, I'd already announced with them. We already called them up, and all the people who had signed up for a boot camp before, वो उसमें करके वो full हो गया. There has been crazy demand. There are a number of people still asking me about the boot camp. Alright, they still want me to do a boot camp in Goa. So what I'm thinking is, let's do a boot camp on the Holy weekend. I think it's going to be epic. वहाँ पे there's another festival happening. Number of my friends are going to be there since next week only, right? Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore से मैं बहुत लोगों को जानता हूँ, जो भी मैं देख रहा हूँ, ऑनलाइन देख रहा हूँ. People are going to be there next week. Next week एक बहुत amazing सी gig हो रही है वहाँ पे गोवा में. So Goa is going to be fucking packed. उधर एक तो मैं boot camp कर ही रहूँगा, but now I'm thinking मैं तब वापस आ रहा हूँ यार, होली खत्म करके ही आता हूँ मैं वहाँ पे पूरा रह के. तो जो होली वीकेंड है, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 25th to the 28th, I am planning an extended boot camp. So instead of a 3-day boot camp, जो usually हमारे 3 दिन के boot camp होते हैं, we're doing a 4-day boot camp at the same fucking price जो हम 3 दिन वाला करते हैं. तो वो एक extra bonus तुम्हें वहाँ पे मिलेगा. On top of that, why this is going to be so crazy is because वहाँ पे जो festival हो रहा है और होली के लिए बहुत लोग वहाँ पे जाने वाले हैं. बाकी cities में ना lockdown hit हो रहे हैं. So now game isn't happening so much. Like Delhi में तो हो रहा है, but कुछ नहीं पता कब कहाँ पे lockdown हो जाए. जैसे अभी नागपुर में हो गया था. Maybe Mumbai is going to get locked down. So I don't want to risk it. I want you guys to experience the final time before Goa shuts down. Alright, गोवा का जो season होता है ना, वो मार्च में shut down हो जाता है. होली के बाद ज्यादा कुछ होता नहीं है, बट इस होली पे ना एपिक होने वाला है. पीपल फ्रॉम द एंटायर कंट्री आर गोना बी देयर फॉर दिस क्रेजी फेस्टिवल दैट्स हैपनिंग, जो मैं बताऊंगा तुम्हें. इफ यू हैव साइंड अप, वी आर गोना गो दैट टुगेदर. वी आर गोना गेट द पासेस एंड शी, वी आर गोना गेट रिजर्वेशंस डन. इट्स गोना बी फकिंग एपिक. आई एम गोना हैव लॉट ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स देयर, माय डीजे फ्रेंड्स आर गोना बी देयर, सो मेनी अदर पीपल आर गोना बी देयर, गर्ल्स आर गोना बी देयर. पूरा ही एपिक होने वाला है वहां पे सीन. एंड व्हाई गोवा इज सो मच बेटर देन अदर प्लेसेस, वन थिंग इज, तो वहां पे बीच है. बीच पे भाई मस्त कपड़े उतार के भागो इधर उधर. यू कैन एंजॉय द सनसेट, यू कैन गो टू डिफरेंट कैफेज, यू कैन गो टू लॉट ऑफ क्लब्स, यू कैन गो टू सो मेनी प्लेसेस. और वहां पे ना सुबह 7 बजे तक पार्टीज होती हैं यार. तो गेम अनलिमिटेड होता है. Another reason why learning game in Goa is so epic is because in Goa people are in a holiday mindset, a vacation mindset as we call it. Vacation mindset क्या होता है? Let me explain to you. When you're in a city ना, the girls that you meet here, it's very difficult to get them out because they've got work going on. Work के साथ साथ they already have other guys hitting them up. उसके ऊपर से they've already got plans, they've got family, they've got so much shit out here. Plus they've got the fear of judgment. If I go out with this guy, if I meet this guy, if I hook up with this guy, people are going to think of me as a slut. लोगों को पता चल जाएगा. So when people fly off to a place like Goa, वहाँ पे ना so much of cheating that also happens ना, वो भाई भारी हो रही होती है. बहुत ही clear सी बात है. When people are on vacation and holidays, they fucking cheat as well. So when you're in vacation mode, people are more likely to have more fun. They're more likely to meet new people because everyone's like, I want to travel to other places, I want to meet new people. Guess what the fuck meeting new people mean? People want to meet new people. वहाँ पे they have more tendency to go on dates. They've got more tendency to enjoy with people, go on more fun experiences, and then काफी चीजें जिसके कोई ना social repercussions नहीं होते हैं. एक वेकेशन माइंडसेट में यू वुड हैव आल्सो नोटिस वेकेशन माइंडसेट कि तुम जब निकल रहे हो तो तुम ज्यादा ठरके हो जाते हैं. यार गोवा आ गए हैं यार, गोवा में तो लड़की मिलनी ही चाहिए, वहां तो पक्का मिलेगी ही लड़की. और मिलती है बट सबको नहीं मिलती ना. तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए तुम किसके साथ हो, कहाँ गए हो, कहाँ जाना है, गेम करते कैसे हैं. अगर किसी के साथ जाओगे जिसको पता है तो तब मे बी सीन्स बहुत ज्यादा इजी हो जाते हैं तुम्हारे लिए. बट अगर खुद जाओगे तो भाई भगवान भरोसे ही बैठे हो. वैसे तो द अपॉर्चुनिटी इज दैट यू कैन कम विद मी टू गोवा, यू कैन बी देयर विद मी 4 days, दिन रात तुम मेरे साथ हो. हम सेम अकोमोडेशन में रहेंगे तो 4 दिन भाई मेरा पूरा लाइफस्टाइल तुम्हारे साथ है. वी विल बी हैंगिंग आउट टुगेदर, वी विल बी डूइंग गेम, वी विल डूइंग डे गेम, नाइट गेम. दिन में बाहर जाएंगे, कैफेज पे जाएंगे, बीचेस पे जाएंगे, अप्रोचेस करेंगे. रात को क्लब्स में जाएंगे, फेस्टिवल्स में जाएंगे. सो मेनी फकिंग क्रेजी थिंग्स हैपनिंग आउट देयर. शैक्स जितना भी है सारी जगह मेरे को पता है. और ये सारी जगह आई एम गोना टेल यू, आई एम गोना टेक यू विद मी इन दोस प्लेसेस एंड द वेकेशन mindset, the most leverage is going to be happening for that. On top of that, why this is going to be so amazing is because instead of one coach, there are going to be two coaches out there. I've got another assistant coach with me who has been one of my closest friends for the past 5 years. He was the guy who took the first boot camp from me. जो मेरा पहला boot camp था, he was the one who took a boot camp from me, and then he took another boot camp. So my first client, like we were friends before, and then he decided to become a client when I started to coach. तो उससे पहले भी हम wing करते थे. So this guy is just fucking amazing with game, specifically verbal game. He's got amazing stuff, and he's already been helping us out with the mentorship and the online stuff, and already assisting one or two boot camps. Pehle. Now out here, he's going to be in a more official role. So you're going to have two coaches, plus one or two of more of my natural friends, and one or two of more people are going to be there. Jo join in karenge and who will be there assisting me and helping me out and helping you out with game and just winging with you guys. So ये जो होने वाला है, it's going to be fucking epic. The entire country is going to be there. और ये बस वो ही नहीं है, ठीक है? बस वो लोग नहीं है कि भाई सारे चिचोरे पहुंच गए हैं वहाँ पे, ठीक है? सारा हॉस्कास विलेज का क्राउड वहाँ पहुंच गया, सारे बागा बीच पहुंच गए हैं. वो क्राउड नहीं है वहाँ पे. ये क्राउड होएगा the most amazing, the most upmarket, the most best girls, the best guys in town. जो सबसे amazing crowd है ना, Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, all the top-notch people, ये लोग वहाँ पे होने वाले हैं. And this is an opportunity that you should not be missing at all. The dates are 25th to the 28th. By this week, alright, by the 15th or something, we're trying to lock it down. सब कुछ खत्म कर रहे हैं because हमारा पहला वाला book हो गया. And because there are people who are still hitting me up, मैंने सोचा मैं एक और कर ही लेता हूँ. These are going to be limited slots. What you need to do is you gotta click on this link out here. Alright, click on this link out here. It's also in the description box below. Click on the link, fill up the form. Fill up the form with clear questions. What are your goals and everything? Let's talk about where you are in game. तुम्हें problems क्या आ रही हैं? तुम्हारे goals क्या हैं? और वो सारी चीजें हम तुम्हारे लिए ठीक कैसे कर सकते हैं? What can you expect on the boot camp? तुम्हारे logistics कैसे रहेंगे? Fly out कैसे करें? Dates क्या होंगी? कपड़े क्या पहनने हैं तुम्हें? ये सारी चीजें हम figure out करेंगे. And then if it makes sense, you can definitely come on board. Come on the boot camp. Do not fucking miss it. एक साल से तुम जो मेरे को मैसेज करे जा रहे हो ना कि भाई boot camp कब हो रहे हैं? boot camp कब हो रहे हैं? बहनचोद अब हो रहे हैं boot camp. 25 से 28 ये तुमने मिस कर लेना तो तुम भूल जाओ. इसके आगे पता नहीं कभी क्या होने वाला है. I do not have boot camps planned इसके आगे. And also another thing out here is this. The boot camps. Another thing that we've done out here is that we're not opening up the boot camps for everyone after this. Alright. इस boot camp के बाद the boot camps are only going to be there for people who are already a client. उन्होंने पहले boot camp लिया है या they've taken up the mentorship. So next time the boot camp is not going to be available anyway for you unless you're on the mentorship as well. और उसके बाद भी we will be filtering people out. We'll be seeing कि is this the right time for you to boot camp or not. Also another thing that's going to be there is that this is not a cheap boot camp. Boot camps are not cheap. ये कोई सस्ते नहीं है. This is only for the people who want to really invest in themselves, who are really committed to this. So if you want to invest in yourself for the premium experience with me, 4 दिन मेरे साथ रह के learning from me, my coaches, my people, everything, literally spending those 4 days with me and learning from a very high level, only then fill up the form. Premium fucking investment होने वाली है. Be fucking serious, not wanting any dabblers. Fill the form right now. We're gonna review it, then we're gonna get on a call with you, and then if it makes sense, we'll ask you to sign up for it. So I wanted to be sure it's a good fit for you as well. It's a good fit for me, but it's important for us to learn about you कि तुम्हारी problems क्या है, and if we can really help you out with those problems or not. So what you do is click on the link below, schedule a call right now, fill up the form very seriously, limited slots available. Call ka slot choose karo. We'll call you on that scheduled time, and then if everything goes good, we seem that it's a good fit for you and for us as well, I will see you in fucking Goa. That's going to be all from my side, guys. Kshitij signing off. See you in Goa. Looking forward to it. Peace out, boys.